Construction of some 104 affordable housing units is underway in Gahanga sector of Kicukiro district under a project called Aheza Urban Village. The development is a part of ongoing efforts to tackle growing housing demand in the city of Kigali. The construction started in April and is expected to be completed before the end of 2026, depending on the readiness of buyers, according to a Memozor, an engineer and the managing director of Girin's Developers, a real estate firm that is working on the project. The cost of the units ranges from 32.5 million Rwandan francs for the most affordable units to 254.5 million Rwandan francs for the high-end option, he added. The project adds to the 90 units already completed in the housing project called Umutuzo Village, located in Kagasaseri, the same sector. All the units in the first phase were sold out. The second phase comprises 104 new houses, with half of them already purchased. Muzora said the homes are being built in various categories to meet clients' needs, adding that the demand for affordable units remains high. We offer a flexible payment plan with 5 installments aligned with the construction timeline. The idea is for buyers to complete their payments by the time construction is finished, he said. Muzoro also noted that Rwandans are actively participating in the purchase of the homes, with more than 60% of buyers being Rwandan nationals. The mayor of the city of Kigali, Samuel Dusengiyumva, highlighted the government's broader vision for increasing access to decent housing. This year alone, we completed 688 housing units in Mazimodo village and are building another 1,600 in Nyabisindu. That brings us closer to 2,050 units, Dusengiyumva told reporters on Friday, May 30. Our goal is to reach at least 5,000 units annually and ultimately build up to 10,000 homes per year, he said. He added that the city of Kigali needs at least 250,000 housing units to meet the demand. Dusengiyumva also revealed the plans to develop more affordable rental units for city dwellers who cannot afford to buy property. We are planning to build houses that can be rented for 50,000 francs to 100,000 francs per month. For example, 2 young people, one working as a mobile money agent and another as a motorcycle taxi rider, could share a 1-bedroom apartment and split the rent, he said. The mayor added that such projects would allow landowners to benefit from vertical housing developments while helping reduce urban sprawl. We need the private sector to step in more. The shortage of housing is what is making homes so expensive, he noted. Please subscribe, write your comment, share, and like this video. You are so precious to us that we can reach the 4 corners of the world with you. As you continue to watch our videos, we are going to work harder and harder so that we improve our videos and information we provide you.